Hi, welcome to Paper Tales by Kunali, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make quilled leaves but with a comb. So let's begin. So first we need some strips of paper, a comb, some glue and a pair of tweezers. So let's start. So since it's a leaf that I'm going to be teaching you, I'm going to be taking colors of orange and yellow and green and brown, and we're going to stick them all together. So let's start with the yellow, then we'll move on to the orange, apply just a little bit of glue. All of these strips of papers are 12 inches in height and 3 mm wide. They are about 90 GSM in weight. Now that we've stuck these strips of paper together, what we'll do is we'll take the yellow strip, the lightest color, and we'll keep it in the center. So what we do is we'll start looping this strip of paper first. So what we do is stick it, apply a little bit of gum on the tip, apply a little bit of gum on the tip and fold it like this, give it a loop, and now this loop we'll loop around the comb. So you start at the center of the comb and you start looping it. So you pull it out carefully and press it in, just like this. This is how it will look. Now what we do is we place it down and take our tweezer and we start twirling it inside. Like so. So this is how it will look at the bottom, and that's it. Create some tension over here and unfold it. So this is how it will look. Now what we do is we'll give it some structure. Hold it properly and press it down. And that's it. You've got a lovely leaf, colorful. It looks very pretty. So what we'll do is I have a few more of these. I'll show you how I use it with my flowers. So I have a quilled flower over here which I had quilled earlier, and a few more of these. These are small. So what you can do is you can use them like this. Place a flower over here. Add a little bit more of adornment around. And that's it. So simple yet so pretty and beautiful. And that's it, as simple as that. So if you like my idea, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.